This is Merino Moments Baby Soft Wool Blend. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. KnitPal Merino Moments combines 40% merino wool, 10% silk, 30% modal, and 20% Java cotton. Its blend of fibers lends versatility, combining the strength of all natural modal, the sheen of silk, and the warmth of merino wool. With a light halo and soft drape, it exhibits sharp stitch definition, which looks great. This yarn is perfect for a range of projects, from baby to adult sweaters, cardigans, hats, scarves, cowls, blankets, and more. It is a pleasure to crochet, and the yarn feels luxurious to the touch, enhancing the crocheting experience. What a pleasure to work with it!